Okay, so today, or continuing today, you're going to go to learning.com and you're going to practice typing in Urban Typing. Urban Typing will be there for you all year long. It is something that anytime you want to go in and practice, you can use. You just go into learning.com and click on Urban Typing. It will look like it's got a grade, but don't worry about it. Just click on it and it will pick up where you left off the last time. So to get to learning.com, you need to go to your Rapid Identity, and there is a symbol called Digital Literacy. So it looks a little different, but underneath it does say learning.com. So if you click in learning.com, I'm not going to click on mine because it takes me to a teacher view, and I need you to go to the student view or show you the student view. When you click on learning.com, honestly, I will not know. I don't really know what exactly you will see, but you should see a keyboard here, or an assignment called Adaptive Urban Keyboarding. And if you click on that, it will bring up something for you to start typing. It'll be a keyboard, and if you just start typing on it, maybe click the space bar and type that whole paragraph up. When you're finished, it will take you to here. And I apologize. We were playing with it earlier, and it won't let me go back to that view for you guys. So once you get here, these are the things that you can practice throughout the year. And it's kind of fun because you have to practice for like 30 minutes, and then you get 6 more minutes of games that they give you. And they'll do that all year long. So, and it'll keep up with where you're at for you. So if you go to muscle memory, you might see something like this actually when you first log in, and then you just place your fingers where they're supposed to be placed as shown, and then check your posture. Click, if you look right here, it says press the 3 space bar. So you have to press the space bar to begin. So you press the 3, and then you've got, you just start typing where the finger is. So, oh, I'm sorry, up at the top. Look at up at the top, it says space. So it will take you through a series of these. If you miss, it'll be like that, and then I think you have to hit the space bar. What do you have to do to keep going? I forget. Oh, you have to just hit G again. Space, G, QQ, space. The only thing is if you get to where it has capitals, please make sure that you are using the shift key. So it says I have 88%, and I wasn't very good, Miss Fizette, but anyway, 88% accuracy with 11 words. Actually, it's okay, but anyway. And then you can continue, but I want you guys to do about 10 minutes of practicing every day, because remember the standard at the end of the year is 40 words a minute with 90 to 95% accuracy. All right, good luck. Let me know if you have any problems. Remember to log into Rapid Identity and then log into Digital Literacy, learning.com. Good luck.